Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a trailing stop loss on etrade. A trailing stop loss is a dynamic order designed to protect your profits while allowing for potential gains. Unlike a fixed stop loss, it automatically adjusts the stop price upwards as your stock's market price rises. This means your stop price trails the market price by a specified percentage or dollar amount, helping to lock in gains and limit downside risk effectively. To set up a trailing stop loss on etrade, first log into your account and navigate to the trade page for the stock you wish to sell. Select Sell as your action, then choose Trailing Stop Loss from the Order Type drop-down menu. You'll then input your desired trailing amount, either as a percentage like 5% or a specific dollar value such as $2. Always review your order thoroughly before placing it. When setting your trailing stop, you'll choose between a percentage or a fixed dollar amount. A percentage trail like 10% will adjust its dollar value as the stock price changes, maintaining a consistent proportional distance. A dollar amount trail, for instance, $5, will always stay that exact distance from the market price. Consider your stock's volatility and your personal risk tolerance to decide which method best suits your trading strategy. It's important to remember that a trailing stop loss order is not guaranteed to execute at the exact stop price. Rapid market movements, known as slippage, can cause the order to fill at a different price. Also, be aware of the order's duration, such as good till canceled, which means it remains active until filled or manually canceled. Always review and adjust your trailing stop loss settings as market conditions or your investment goals change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.